October 31st, Stock Playbook. This is Dave Dispinette. Dow Jones down 276 points today, 2.3%. NASDAQ Composite down 52 points, 1.9%. S&P 500 down 31 points, 2.5%. Crazy day. Nobody seems to know which way this market's going, but we think the path of least resistance is lower. A lot of people are blaming this pullback on MF Global Holdings, which went bankrupt today, a very large clearing service firm. But I think it's more, Europe. Greek Prime Minister, they're having a referendum on this plan that they developed last week that, got the markets all hopped up and running to new highs. They don't know about the austerity measures that are going to be required. So we got a plan to, we didn't even vote on the plan. We got a plan to maybe do something over there in Europe. The person that's benefiting the most is trying to weigh whether or not it's in their benefit to, take this money because they have to, make cuts. Europe's a mess. It's not going away. They can kick the can down the road for a day, a week, a month, a quarter, maybe even a year. But Europe is an implosion waiting to happen. I still believe the euro will not exist in the not too distant future. And in terms of currencies, not too distant future, I would say the next 3 to 5 years we won't have a euro. What do you do in a market like this? You trade. You trade earnings plays. You trade the S&P futures, the S&P down 31 points. There was a ton of money made there if you got short at the open. SPXU had a nice little bounce. You could have jumped in this thing this morning as low as 1377. Short. Salesforce.com is one we've recently given to you. We got a whole bunch more. Amazon we really like. We got a couple of earnings plays that are setting up nicely for this week. You want to see how we're doing it at the Stock Playbook? Sign up for a free trial and we'll give you our playbook and show you how we're going to attempt to make money this week. Have a good night. I will talk with you tomorrow.